Don't be so soft. There's no stinking honor in any of this. It's just a game. Play to win. There are no rules. You're going to have to get over your soft-heartedness. Do it. Forget about your feelings. You have to. They'll get you killed. They'll get you killed, Kakarot.